Yes, well members, welcome back. Today's video, I want to take you through how to create and how you can manage a Google Contact. So Google Contact simply, helps you to really keep you contacts informations. Could be email contacts, could be phone numbers, contacts, informations in a safe way, such that in case your handphone get lost, you can easily retrieve some of these contacts from the Google Contacts. So here it is just simple how to create a Google Contact. First of all, your gadget must be logged in or registered with your Google account. Either your phone or your computer or laptop must be signed in by Google account. So Google account, you need an email for you to start up a Google account. You need an email for you to be in position to sign in your Google account, and these informations are always kept in the email. So let's see how we can go about this. So the moment you have saved your contacts or all your contacts information on the Google account, how can you retrieve them? How can you access them? Okay, so let's see how we can access them. So I'm going to take you through the access from the Gmail account. So here you go to your Gmail account. So let's go to our Gmail account. From that, I'm demonstrating from the computer, from the laptop, but it's almost the same procedure when you're using your handphone, an iPhone, or even an Android phones. So let's open my Google account. Let's open my Gmail account. Sorry. So here, once you open your Gmail account, you tap Gmail here. So you let it gets open. Let me see. So here is your Gmail account showing you emails. So you can access this thing from the right hand side corner of your Google, your Gmail account page. So you look for this thing with almost 6 dots, 6 horizontal dots here. Are you seeing where my cursor is? So you have to click there. You will double click. After clicking, it will bring for you a number of options as you see here. So after clicking here, you'll get things like this: Gmail Drive account. This is showing your account. This is YouTube. You can access even YouTube from here. All these are the things which are registered under this Google account. So you need to go up to contacts. Here is my contacts. Are you seeing? So you tap there, you double click. So it will bring you some of this information. There are some of the contacts that are saved in my Google account or in email. So that's why you can see them here. So here you can access all the contacts you had saved in your email. Okay, yeah. Just to take you back a moment, in your phones, when you're saving, it will bring you options. Do you want to save in email, in your phone engine, or in your SIM card? But always you can only access the one that you had saved in your email on your Google account. That's the only contacts you can get them here. Okay, so here you can get the emails, the phone contacts. You can all get them here. They can never get lost. So this is something very important. So we need to take note of this for us not to lose our contacts, the important contacts that we wish to have them, even if our phones get lost. Thank you so much. Don't forget to tap on the like and subscription button as we meet in the next video. Thank you.